Winter's here, folks, and you know what that means? It's time to crank up the heat. But before you touch that thermostat, let me tell you, I've seen too many homeowners make the same critical mistakes with their HVAC systems. These aren't just little slip-ups. We're talking about things that can cost you big time on energy bills, repairs, and even put your family's comfort at risk. We're talking about doing things the right way because a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. So stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll break down the top 5 winter HVAC mistakes you need to avoid. Let's get started. Now, I can't stress this enough. Regular maintenance is key. It's like taking your car in for an oil change. You don't wait until the engine seizes up, right? Your HVAC system is the same way. Think about it. It's working overtime in the winter, battling the cold, keeping your family warm and cozy. You need to give it some TLC. That means scheduling a professional inspection every fall before the really cold weather hits. A good technician will check everything, your furnace, heat pump, ductwork, the whole 9 yards. They'll make sure everything's clean, lubricated, and running efficiently. Trust me, this is not a DIY job, folks. You might think you're being smart, closing off vents in unused rooms to save some money, but let me tell you, that's a recipe for disaster. Your HVAC system is designed to distribute air evenly throughout your house. When you block vents, you restrict airflow, and that puts extra strain on the system. Not only will some rooms be too cold, but you're also forcing your furnace to work harder, which means higher energy bills and more wear and tear. So do yourself a favor and make sure all your vents are open and unobstructed. And while you're at it, take a look around those vents. Furniture, curtains, anything blocking airflow is a no-no. Chapter 3, Thermostat Trouble and Finding the Right Setting. I get it, you want your home to feel like a tropical paradise even when it's freezing outside. But cranking up your thermostat is not the answer. Every degree you raise the thermostat means your system has to work harder. And that means higher energy bills. Instead of playing thermostat roulette, find a comfortable setting and stick with it. Around 68 degrees Fahrenheit is ideal for most people. And if you really want to save money, invest in a programmable thermostat. These nifty gadgets let you set different temperatures for different times of day, so you're not wasting energy heating an empty house. Chapter 4, The Importance of Clean Air Filters. This one's a no-brainer, folks. Think of your air filter like the lungs of your HVAC system. If it's clogged with dust, dirt, and allergens, the system can't breathe properly. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, making your system work harder to circulate air. That means higher energy bills and more wear and tear on your equipment. Plus, it's terrible for your indoor air quality. Changing your air filter regularly is one of the easiest and most important things you can do to keep your HVAC system running smoothly. Check it once a month and replace it at least every 3 months, or more often if you have pets or allergies. Chapter 5. Don't ignore strange noises. Early detection is key. Your HVAC system should run quietly in the background. If you start hearing strange noises, banging, clanging, screeching, don't ignore them. Those are warning signs that something's wrong, and ignoring them will only make the problem worse. It could be something as simple as a loose belt or a worn bearing, or it could be a sign of a more serious issue. Either way, you need to call in a professional to diagnose the problem and make the necessary repairs. Remember, early detection is key. The sooner you catch a problem, the less damage it will cause and the less it will cost to fix. So there you have it, the 5 biggest winter HVAC mistakes to avoid. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way in keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently all winter long. By following these simple tips, you can avoid costly repairs, improve your home's energy efficiency, and most importantly, keep your family warm and comfortable all season long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. And as always, thanks for watching.